Hi, it's me, Zay for Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. This, I'm sure you're aware, is the Chinese drill press. I did manage to get to make this 3D mount, 3D printed mount, to make this drill fit this aperture. When I bought it, that was supposed to fit that, and it didn't. Okay, so I made that. Now, there are problems with every single part of this. Okay, let's start with this bit. The oh dear. Yeah. Yeah. That should not happen. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can put that back together somehow. Okay, right. Isn't this supposed to be attached to this so it can be wound back and fro? Yeah. Now this, we already know, has a heck of a lot of vibration in the chuck. So this cannot drill a straight hole to save its life. I had 3 of these, all identical, all with the same darn problem. The chucks just vibrate like mad. So there's no way you can drill a straight hole with them. I'm really at a loss to know why they made them. It would be so much easier just to make them properly. And this thing, it goes up, it goes down like it should, but watch this. You hear it clicking as I'm moving it. The end is moving about 1/8 of an inch. That's no good for drilling accuracy. And the column doesn't shift at all. The sloppiness is in here, and there is absolutely no way of fixing that. And this is a classic example of the Chinese just dumping garbage on the market that looks right. It'll party from your money, and of course they know there is no Western alternative. And I wanted one that was good, but this is just garbage. And I wanted something small, portable. But this is just pure garbage.